Hello, how are you? How are you? Kumusta sa lahat na nandito sa buong mundo? Salamat kahit papaano, ayan. Lagi akong sana wish magkakaroon ako lagi ng kahit isang subscriber lang. Thank you for today. Thank you for today of my LS. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you. Oh, so this one also is a very good smile. Smile naman, smell. Ito. Ano to kay madam? Ayan. Dito sa Baghdad, ewan ko. You can search this one. Or you can try to what's this one to to my madam. This one is the stuff of my madam. You see. Very nice siya. Good smell talaga siya. Mas ano to yung sariha o mga Arabian people that you're living in this earth, you know this one, like this one ba siya, oh. Ayan siya, riha yan. Ako, ang bango-bango talaga siya, pang-amoy, panglabas ng amoy dito sa loob. Okay, so tingnan mo na yung mga birthday flowers gift ni madam. Nagkakaroon na siya ng mga ano. Minsan kasi pag nilalagyan siya ng water, ganun pa rin. Kahit even you just put this one alone, na ganun, abot pa rin ng 3 days. Minimum siya naman talaga 3 days lang. Ang minimum 3 days. May water sa flower vase, ilagay ninyo. Maliban lang kung may ilalagay daw yata na medicine, I don't think so. But just a normal, same as usual until 3 days. Pag ganito na siya, Pero if you want to stay, it will become na 1 week. May cake na siya. Even just in the, what's that? Naka-cover pa siya, naka-arrange pa from the shop of the flower shop. Pag mag-deliver, if you just leave that one pot inside without water, same as usual, it's 3 days, minimum 3 days. Tingnan mo yung roses, yung roses na nagpa-selfie ako na ang dami-dami niya. Ayan, sinisiparate kasi ina-arrange ni madam ulit. She make it arrange to change it like this one to put in the flower vase. So that's the result. Ayan, same as usual naman, but it's very nice talaga, attractive, unique ba. Different arrangement sometimes if you don't change to put like this one, because always you're doing like this one, so at least that you can make it different. Nandoon din yung iba, nandoon yung mga flowers, so nandoon same as usual, ganun pa rin, wala namang pagbabago. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for the support to all vloggers, for all the individual channels. Even you are belong in the different of social medias. Thank you so much to all mga founder. Thank you, YT. Thank you for the founder. Thank you for the staff, workers. Sa sobrang sipag. Thank you so much talaga. And to all of us, thank you to my all families. Yeah, I'm just repeating for my employer, for my madam and sir, to Sisi, and to the coming soon. So thank you to all people in this world, and that is the main reason. That's why my channel, that what I have is still growing up, not only for my simply and small channel that I have, even the one that they are riches already, they have too much supporters, subscriber, because of them, because of the viewers, because of the some peoples that you are belong in the different countries, that you are giving time to watch and to support, and your kindness and thoughtfulness and everything. And that is to say thank you so much with the God bless provide everything to all of us. Bye! Ay, bye-bye! 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 Ay, naku si Grace. Bye-bye!